Hey you guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then thanks for dropping in by my channel. It means absolutely a world to me, and if you have already been there with me, then no more introduction is basically needed. So as usual, today I'm going to show you guys how to achieve like this particular smoky silvery eye look. But for the base routine, you need to check my Insta handle. My Insta handle is @polomi_mini. There I have already uploaded this particular base routine, which is very simple and like as usual the jam is. So like today for the eyes I've used like some loose pigment foil shadows and some metallic shadow for this particular silver shade, and then the rest is like the simple smoking out and all. So if you want to know how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. Today I am going to use my NYX Professional Eyeshadow Base Primer, which is this one, and this is in the shade Skin Tone. So today I am going to use this to prime my eyelids, and if you don't have an eyeshadow base primer, you don't need to worry. You can use your concealer. Everything works quite similarly. So yeah, so I'm going to use this one to set my eyelids first. This is quite thick in consistency. So I am using like a normal flat brush, and I'm just like dabbing it into the skin, and at this point I'm just like marking my brows like you do with your concealer. You cut your brows with your concealer to make them look very prominent. So I did that, and now at this point I'm like putting it all over my eyelid, like my pigmented eyelid, and I'm just like spreading it. So now at this point, when I'm done dabbing that into my skin, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set my eyelids with a loose powder. I found my loose powder. Today I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. It's in the shade 20 light medium. Taking this one onto my beauty sponge, and I'm just like dabbing it onto my eyelids so that I can set everything and lock everything into the place. So now at this point, when I'm done with putting that eyeshadow base and setting it onto my eyelids, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, like the look today I'm going to do is going to be a very, minimalistic. Also minimalistic, because when you have dropped into my channel, there's nothing minimalistic in my channel. I'm so sorry for that. So I'm going to do a very easy and simple look, and for this look today the palette which I'm going to choose is my Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette, and by this time I can like guarantee you like 90% of us have this palette. So this palette is so good, you guys. So now when I have this palette, so from this particular palette I'm just going to choose this color over here called Sandalwood, and I'm just going to use this as a transition color. At this point I'm just like putting it onto my eyelids, and I'm just like on my transition, not my eyelids, like my transition onto like this area, this particular area, and to create like a nice gradient effect. Or definitely like do take a little at a time, don't go overboard with this color, because this is a hell of a pigmented palette, as you guys know. So I'm just like applying this onto, and it has been a while I haven't used this palette. So now at this point, when I'm done putting that transition color onto my transition, I'm just going to go towards my next color, and for the next color again from this Huda Beauty palette, what I'm going to do is I am just going to take like this a dark brown color over here called Cocoa, and taking this color over here I'm just going to put it onto my crease to give my crease a depth and certain amount of dimension. So now at this point, when I'm done putting that brown color called Cocoa onto my crease, what I'm going to do is from the same particular palette, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this palette, and I'm just going to grab like this color Cocoa with a little bit of black into it, and I'm just going to mix both of this together and put it onto this particular area and blend it. I am like keeping the outer corner like nice and blended and diffuse, because that's what I prefer and I like. Basically I'm creating like a V onto like this area. So now at this point, when I'm done with smoking that outer V, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my NYX Cosmetics Love You So Much palette, and from this particular palette I'm just going to grab, you know, like this beautiful metallic silver color over here, and taking this color over here, I'm just going to put it onto like this particular area of my eye. So now at this point, when I'm done with that silver metallic silver shade, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab my Swiss Beauty Follicular Pigment, which is this one, as you can see, and I'm just going to put it onto that silver shade over here. I already have some onto my brush, and so now at this point, when I'm done with putting that metallic silver shade and topping that up with that loose pigment from Swiss Beauty, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put on some liner. So today I'm going to use my Maybelline Eye Studio Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner, which is this one. I hope like all of you must have this, and like everyone loves this one. So I'm just going to take this one over here and taking a angle brush from Sigma. I'm just going to put on some winged liner. You know what guys, I love using my NYX Epic Ink Liner, and just look at me, I am not using this today in the video, but still I'm raving its name, and that's how much I love using that. So yeah, at this point when I'm done, like I'm just like taking a tiny amount onto my brush or so. So now at this point, when I'm done with that gel liner, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly curl my lashes and then put on some mascara. And you guys know that I love curling my lashes because it gives my lashes that extra lift and curve and whatnot. So I just do that. I prefer doing that. That's your personal choice. If you don't like it, or if you don't have a curling wand, you just can skip it. So yeah, now for my mascara, I'm using my L'Oreal Paris Volumizing Lash Paradise Mascara, which is this one. So I'm just going to coat my lashes with the mascara. So now at this point, when I'm done with putting that mascara, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go behind the camera and put on some falsies. And today I'm going to use my PAC M77 lashes, which are this one. So I'm just going to put them on and complete this eye and rub this mascara stain off my nose, and I will be right back. So now I'm finally back after putting on my falsies and completing this particular eye. So this is how it turned out to be. I have applied some highlighter, and for my highlighter today I have used my PAC Baked Highlighter, which is this one. It's in the shade 02 Iconic. It basically looks like this. So I used it all over my face. As you can see, it's glowing and beaming from out there also. So I have used this one as a highlighter, and on my lips I'm wearing my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. It's in the shade Wantarella, which is this one. I just love using this one because I feel like it's the perfect pinkish nude shade for my skin tone. So I have applied that on my lips, and this is my entire look. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. If you have enjoyed watching this video, then do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel because it will mean a lot to me. I'll see you guys next day with yet another more interesting topic. Till then, take care, keep it calm, and love you all.